traders, I welcome you to this video, and I've spent a long time analysing these charts and I just want to share that with you now. And this is the Dow on the daily chart. We had a couple of higher closes on Thursday and a higher close on Friday on the back of the GDP data, but I am bearish this market. It's just a question of where we get short. Now we've got this low here which could offer a level of resistance. We've got a major wall here, but I would ideally like a retest of this trend line. I will trade this to the upside if I get buy signals, but as a day trader I'm going to be acutely aware of these levels up here. As if you're a swing trader, I will do nothing until we reach these levels, because the risk-reward ratio here for longs, the stops under here, is not viable as a swing trader. But so that's how I'm planning for the week ahead. Want to see if we can get some good news out there to drag that up. There's non-farm payroll on Friday, so if we could inch higher on the back of GDP, non-farm payroll is not to the market's liking, then I think we have some very good opportunities. But one step at a time, and I will update you as the week unfolds, and that will be my master plan for the week, to guide you through possible short entries for that one. Let's look at the Euro-US. You can see all these trend lines here I've got. We are on the daily chart. We are between the 8 and the 50 EMA. The 50 EMA is up here, and the 8 EMA is down there. So you can see on a pure support and resistance level we are in a tight range. On the long-term trend line level, we came down, we got slightly above this trend line here, this long-term one, and popped right back underneath. So you can see there is a lot of downward pressure on this euro. Let's tie this chart up. The weekly bar closed just slightly lower than the previous week's bar, but for the bulls that is a holding pattern on a key level of support. So we closed higher on Friday, on Monday, sorry. That will be a great signal. For me, that's a potential just a holding pattern for a short. It may just move sideways and then possibly start to close lower. You can see a lot of trend line support there, so it's not shortable at the moment, and the RSI is midway, so that's inconclusive. So, but for I guess the other point, the other box it ticks for the bulls is the fact that this is the 50 EMA down here at the low, and so we've effectively got a hammer off the 50 EMA. If we can just break a little higher than that on Monday, I would be convinced that could hold at least short term. If you're a swing trader, yeah, I think that's swing tradable. If you get the setup I would use is this. I would use a break of 129.60. I would have a stop down there at 128.69. And then come back on Monday and see if that can close higher. Because if we do close higher than this trend line, then this could go into the rest of the week with a very bullish chart. But obviously, if we close above 130, that's a big signal to the market that short term can survive. And what else do I want to share with you in the market? I'll just share with you what I'm looking at on CAD Swissy. Let's look at CAD Swissy. It's not the best chart out there at the moment, but it could be. There's a couple of charts I've got in the premium videos which are on the Forex are setting up really well. Let's have a look at this on the free one, I'll just share you my thoughts on this. Look at that huge line there, 93.90 or 94, give or take a few points. If we close one side of that, yeah, we had a decent move up here on the back of the hammer, close to parity on the CAD Swissy. We've got CAD GDP on Wednesday. If this closes above that 94, we could see a really nice breakout here of that wedge. A little breakout here, but we start breaking, but we could start closing above 94, and we could get back to parity on that. So, if you look at this, it's a lovely chart in a way. Big move up here, consolidates, big move up, pulls back to support, gets bought, pulls back to support, gets bought, bursts up and pulls right back to support. So this is a good one. This is actually, having analysed it with you, I actually think that's better than I first thought. This is potentially a nice bull flag up here, and the close above 94 could be a decent trigger for that, so I would be very much on the lookout for that one. Okay, so I'm going to track the Euro and the Dow with you for the rest of the week and look for possible longer term trades on that one. So I do hope you enjoy the rest of your weekend. If you want a free trial of the premium video, please let me know, otherwise I will see you at the next update.